Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the VOM and your workpiece. Visually inspect the test leads, battery, and probe tips to ensure safe contact. Turn the selector to the measurement type you need: DC volts for batteries, AC volts for outlets, ohms for continuity, or M for small currents. Once set, make sure to start on the highest range if you don't know the expected value. This prevents meter overload and gives you a safe baseline for refining the range. You now connect the leads and take the measurement. Plug the black lead into COM and the red lead into the correct jack for V, omega, or MA. This matters for accuracy and safety. For voltage, probe in parallel across the component. For current, break the circuit and insert the meter in series. For resistance, measure with power removed. Once connected, read the display carefully. Watch polarity for DC readings and confirm the decimal and units so you interpret the value. You finish by removing probes safely and returning the VOM to a safe off or high range state. Make sure to power down the circuit before changing modes or jacks to prevent damage. If a reading seems off or fluctuates, retest using a different range or function and swap leads to rule out a bad probe. If instability persists, check the meter battery and contact pressure. A weak battery or poor probe contact is often the culprit and is an easy fix before repeating the measurement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.